Another portable monitor is in the studio today. This one's from INNOCN. It's 4K 60Hz, which does make it a monitor not only for the Nintendo Switch, but also good for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. Another interesting thing about this unit is that it's touchscreen. You can connect it to a laptop, as I did right here, and use that additional monitor with the touch functions. Mobile devices that are capable of video output from the USB-C can really benefit here. Imagine connecting your Android phone and then using the large touchscreen to browse the web, play games, and do all kinds of things. This is the box it comes in. So it's 5.6 inches, it's an IPS display, 4K resolution, and 60Hz refresh rate. Let's open it up. Right on top, we have a color calibration report. Here is the user manual. Here's the portable monitor. More on that in a bit. Let's first look at the accessories. Here's an AC adapter. It's nice that they included this. Some suppliers actually don't. We do get 3 cables in this box. The first is a HDMI to mini HDMI cable. This is a 4K cable and can be used to hook up everything, including your PS5 and Xbox Series X. Here's a USB-C cable. Use this one for powering the monitor. And here's another USB-C cable. This one now is a little thicker. It's capable of higher data transfers, and it's really a multifunction USB. Use this one to connect your Nintendo Switch, your smartphone, tablet, or laptop to the monitor. Here again is the monitor. It's a pretty slim design. Now this one doesn't come with a carrying case, but this piece on the back does swing open and function as a stand. All the buttons, all the inputs are also on this base piece. Here on one side we have the power button. There are these 2 menu buttons, and you can use them to control all the settings, including the brightness and even the volume level. On the other side are all the inputs. Here's the audio jack. Now this monitor does have built-in speakers, but that audio output is there in case you want to hook up some external speakers. This USB-C port is for connecting the power adapter, and this second one here is the multifunction one where you would connect all your devices to. Here is the HDMI input. Connecting the Nintendo Switch is pretty simple. Power the monitor using the provided AC adapter, then connect your Nintendo Switch using the multifunction USB-C cable. No dock is required here, and that's really a huge benefit. You can carry around just a portable monitor without having to travel with the dock. You can also power the monitor using a power bank, and that'll basically give you a completely portable setup. Now, in case you're wondering, this is not gonna work with the Nintendo Switch Lite. That hardware simply is not capable of outputting a video signal. If you do want to connect the Nintendo Switch using the dock, you can do that as well using the provided HDMI cable. And connecting an Xbox Series X can also be done using that same HDMI cable. And here's a setup with the Xbox Series X, and you can really see in the settings the display is 4K and 60Hz. The PlayStation 5 setup is identical as well, and overall it's pretty straightforward to set up. You're not really gonna have any issues here. The colors on this portable monitor are pretty vivid. You can see with Spider-Man, it looks pretty good on PlayStation 5. So that's really all you need to know about this 4K portable monitor. If you want to buy one, there are links in the description below. For the rest of the video, check out some gameplay so you get to see this monitor in action.
possession. They know they need to stop him. And Ronaldo sends it in. Oh, but played by the goalkeeper. Well, no problems defensively. And Fred winkling possession away from the opposition.